Dear children, kindly take out Standard 2 Social Studies book, page number 69, chapter 14, Safety Rules. Children, in this chapter we will discuss about safety at home, safety at school, and safety at playground, safety on the road, safety at swimming pool, and safety during festivals, and first aid. So let's start the chapter. Safety means to be safe from danger, risk, or injury. If we stay away from harm, it is called safety. We can get hurt by a simple or a major reason. There are so many ways to protect ourselves from getting injured. There are certain rules that one should follow to be safe. These rules are called safety rules. Here are some safety rules that we should follow in our daily life. In school, in park, home, road, while traveling, etc. Safety at home. Never touch sharp objects, knife, scissors, blades. Never touch a hot object, gas stove, kettle. Never play with matchsticks. Do not run on the stairs, you may fall down. Never touch electric plugs with wet hands. Never take medicines of your own. Do not lock the door from inside while bathing. Do not leave your toys on the floor. You may trip over them and fall. Next, we'll see safety at school. Never run on the stairs. Never play on the chairs and desks. Do not run to catch the school bus or van. Never push each other when you are in a queue. Children, turn the page. Now we will see safety at playground. Here also some points. Do not push each other while playing. Wait for your turn to slide or swing. Hold the swing properly while sitting. Never stand in front of swings. Fly kites only in open ground and not on terrace. Do not play or hide in a dark or lonely place. Always follow the rules of game. Next we'll see safety on the road. Never play near or on the road. Always obey traffic rules. Cross the road only at zebra crossing. Always wear a seat belt while sitting in a four-wheeler. Wear a helmet while driving a two-wheeler. Next we'll see safety at swimming pool. Do not go alone for swimming. Use a swimming tube while learning. Do not run around the swimming pool. Do not swim in the deep side of the pool. Next is safety during festivals. Play with herbal colors on Holi. Never run on the roads while bursting crackers on Diwali. Light up your house with the help of your elders. Always remember to hold your parents' hand in a crowded place. Do not go out of the house without informing your parents. Now we'll see first aid. We may sometimes get hurt in spite of being careful. It is important for us to know what we should do when we get hurt. An immediate help given to an injured person is called first aid. That provides immediate relief to an injured person. If you or your friend get injured, inform your parents and elders if you are at home. If you are in school, inform your teacher. If required, call the doctor. Make the injured person comfortable, never crowded around him. Children, see here are the image for safety on roads. This is for turn light. This symbol is one way. This symbol stands for no horn zone. This is no left, no U-turn. This symbol stands for red lights. This symbol stands for turn left. This symbol stands for T junction. This symbol stands for three-way. This symbol stands for traffic. This symbol stands for diversion. And this symbol stands for roundabout. Okay students, thank you.